Hello! Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna learn how to cook because some of you people don't even know how to boil hot water, all right? So stick with me for a little bit and I'm gonna show you a thing or two today. So first things first, okay? We gotta take this here oven, we're gonna put it on bake to 420, all right? And then it's gonna continue. Push on this here bake button. You just set that bad boy to, let's see here, 420, okay? Perfectly good number. And we're gonna start it up.
I swear the devil is watching me. He tried to make me his prodigy.
Oh, whoa, juggling with 3D glasses on. What are you talking about? Hey, listen, focus, stick with me here, okay? Get yourself a bowl, right? Luckily, Emeril Lagasse style, got one right next to me over here. So here we go, got a bowl. Next step, take your finger. Turn that bad boy off. Now that that's off, you need yourself one of these. A spoon, okay? Goes right in there like so. Some other couple key ingredients. Very important. Also very important. Now just as they do in the Hokey Pokey, we're gonna shake it all about. Oh yeah. Yeah, shake that shit out. Oh. Now we're gonna switch songs here to pour some sugar on me, except for pour some milk on me. Alright, well I hope you all, fuck. Alright, well I hope you all enjoyed this little how-to that I set up for you. Manja! Fuck.
And to the bitch that broke my heart, I just hope that you can sleep, knowing every single man you'll meet will never be like me. You can run, you can hide, but you will see me in your dreams on TV.